Hello, everyone. This is Rozani. Welcome to my world of Papier Mâché. Who's this little guy? I have a little goblin. My goblin has orange skin, and it's a little mini pumpkin. I'm going to continue with him and make him a little spookier. I think he's creepy cute. But we're going to add something interesting to it, and you can do this too. So keep on watching. I'm going to add on to the stem on either side and create something a little bit different but fun. There will be a reveal to show you what I plan to do with it. And then we'll see if I can do it. Here we go. Talk about exploring the possibilities. Let's do it. I'm going to extend the pieces on the sides to create arms. Let's add on. If you've been following me regularly, you know that I use liquid starch and paper napkins for a lot of my projects, and that's what I'm using on these pieces. In order to attach it, I dab it with liquid starch. Just a reminder that I'm not using any wires here. It is totally the paper napkin twisted and pressed together using liquid starch. Just dab it on and it'll dry in place. Now we set it aside to dry. And we're back. Let's continue to work. We're going to add some little hands. I say we're going to add because I like having you along with me. Of course, I'm going to be adding the hands this time, but you can do it too. You may want to work out the position of your fingers ahead of time, but I like to do it like this. I find it very relaxing. Now, as you know, there are a lot of ways to do something similar to this. You can use wire if you like, if it makes it easier for you. No problem. The main thing is to have a good time. Don't worry about it. Just go with it and see how it looks. Try experimenting with different things because you don't have to make it one certain way. You can always change the look of it, and it doesn't have to only be a small pumpkin. You can do this on larger pumpkins too. I mean, you may want to add little bat wings to it. You may want a mushroom growing out of the head. Make it whimsical if you want, or you can make it scarier. You could keep it subtle, sweet, spooky or kooky. It doesn't matter. Just have a good time with it. What do you think? Are you up to making something like this? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know what you're making for Halloween. Anyway, are you working on pumpkins? If so, I'd love to hear about it. I want to welcome any newcomers to this channel, and I'm hoping that you're enjoying the content. I really enjoy receiving comments from you. It's very interesting to get to know you better. And I'm thankful for all of my regular subscribers, of course, and the wonderful comments that I get. It's just fun knowing that we share a lot in common. And there's so many different things that we do, but yet we come together because we have a commonality that we can relate to, and it might be an event. It may be a project. It may be a production. It may be costumes, festivities, seasonal projects, teaching, or learning. Now back to this little guy. It's time to set him aside and allow him to dry. This is a good stopping point for me now, but please be on the lookout for updates, either in shorts or in my playlist. I want to thank you for being here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.